And if I may come to you first, Tarak Artha, in your assessment, briefly, how do you look at the situation in Balochistan at this moment? Who do you think has the upper hand, and is there possibility of peace soon?
I don't think there's possibility of this stopping anytime soon. Because it is this particular operation, and the Baloch themselves call it their fifth operation,
Yes.
since they started in 1947, right? This is not today or yesterday that it started. This one is the largest in terms of attacks, is the largest in terms of the territory that it is covering, and it is the largest in terms of the cities that it has targeted, which is about 14 cities. So this
Yes.
is huge. And I can't see the Pakistanis doing anything sensible here. They are just going out and massacring whoever they can find. They are bombing them from the air. That is not counterterrorism. That is war against your own people. What are you doing? So it's the more they do this, the more number of recruits are going to go and fight alongside the BLA. And then, of course, they'll blame everybody else.
Yes.
But the point is, when I think recently, the DGISP said 177 Baloch killed in the last 48 hours. 177 killed is certainly not counterterrorism. That is a massacre. So I honestly, they have huge numbers of troops deployed, and they're still not able to control it because the people, you can see it on clips on social media. They are taking selfies with the Baloch Liberation Organization. They are welcoming them into their homes. They are hugging them. That is the kind of support they're getting. So how do you expect this to just stop all of us? The BLA will stop it. They will stop, but at a time of its choosing.